What is this? H14? This is my seat. Wow, I can see the world. I wonder where I am. Am I in Africa? I don't know. I am. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 5423. We are currently flying an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Let's go explore! Wow, look at all these things. Stop. This good stuff. Oh, look, there's scissors. The captain's seat. Now, please find your seat as we are about to cross a high area of turbulence. Did it! Get me, Storm. Whoa! Thanks for your cooperation. You're welcome. Get ready, because we are going to prepare us a great snack. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Ooh, sandwiches. Yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sprinkles, what's wrong? Sprinkles? I'm not feeling very well. What's wrong, Sprinkles? Wait, this sandwich has mayo? Yeah? I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no, I'm sorry, Sprinkles. Well, we have to find Sprinkles to storage. Okay, that's fine. I found it! Good job, Crystal. Yeah, that was a close one. It was. Good afternoon to all passengers. Before we reach a stable altitude, it will be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Ooh. 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 Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. You have a few hours to go. Sure. Fair enough. Whoa. What's that shaking sound? Uh-oh. It proves that we've lost energy. Hang on, let me try to fix it. I'll try to see if... Hey, wait a second. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Wait, the right wing? What is that? What the heck is that? Wait, what the heck is that? You will not survive. Are those snakes? They are snakes. I gotta be with a friend. Crystal, shut around. Hey, TJ. Oh God, I'm going to die. There's snakes everywhere. Everywhere. They're everywhere. Guys, does it open? Restroom. Where is it? Right here, in here. Guys, in here. We're fine. Oh God. Okay, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's 6 of us. Seven. Wait, but one thing. If there's 6 of us, wait a second. There's 2 of us. Wait, yep. I think we're all in here. Oh God, what should we do? That was scary. We should discover what the heck was happening. There was a monster that was trying to kill us with some snakes. Huh. Snakes are not that scary, but power's back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Phew. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Yeah. And that monster is evil. Amen. To us. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Person. Good news. The power is back up. Yes. But we have some bad news. Is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oh, you want to drop over your seats. Get them quickly as you can. Oxygen max! Oxygen max! Get the oxygen max that you need, guys! No! No! You didn't put on your oxygen mask. 5, 6. Four. Oh, what's going on now? Oh my God! What the? Oh no! Look at a bomb! What are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something, sure to cut the cables. We might just see my friend. Come here. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? I will cut the red cable. Good choice. No. She didn't make it. Oh God, Crystal's dead. Oh God, everyone's going to be dead. Poor them. Oh. We haven't heard of the crew. Wait. Let's check if everything's okay. This is not good. This is not good at all. This is not good at all. I found them! They're unconscious! We need to alert the captain! Quickly, get to the captain's room! Quick, the captain room. It's locked. Something is happening inside. Oh no. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we might be able to hurry up. Okay, let's find the code. Oh, we have to find the code. Oh, man. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, there's a code. Oh! I found it! I found the code! It's 2655! It's the creature! Where's it go? Wait, is it the creature? Oh my humanness! It's the creature! You will pay for what you've done! You think you are here on accident? But you're not. What are you doing here? Stop it right now. I brought you here. All of you. Even you, TJ, the one who destroyed the red dress girl. That is not possible! The red dress girl made you here? Oh my goodness, that little evil red girl. It is. And now it's time for you to die. No. See you in the afterlife. You have to get him in. You have to get in. Get us in there. Get us in there. Get us in there. Get us out. The captain's obnoxious. The plane's falling. What are we going to do? Wait, I need to find the emergency button. Give me the autopilot button, quickly. Okay. If you say click everything and find that button before we die. Okay, but I'm clicking. I'm clicking. I don't want to die. Come on. Quick, we have to click everything, TJ. I found the button. Oh, thank goodness. We did it! We saved the plane! It's been a funny kite. What? I just want to go home already. Now all I need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Alright, we found it. Hello? We need help! Our captain's unconscious! Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? No, people died. But yes, 2 of us are okay. Our pilot mode is on. Okay, we changed the location and we are taking control. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit. I'm going to go sit on the plane. I want to sit on the plane, please. Please, I want to sit on the plane. Yes, I'm sitting here. Okay, because you can find the plane. Okay, everyone, I got this So, go, TJ, you can do this! Oh no, it's the monster! Oh no, it is back! Oh no, what should I do? What should I do? You humans are funny. Why, thank you. Your destiny has already been written. Why, thank you. I don't know what you said. Last chance, TJ. Or else I will kill you to death. Crash this planet in the world for eternity. This has to be done. Foolish humans. All this time you trusted Thomas Jr. Chippo. And he was always on my side. He had a cannon. He is such an Yes, master. I will take you away. TJ! Oh no! Queenie has taken over his mind! Huh? What happened? What happened is that you crashed! Oh no! The monitor took over my mind! No. Remember in episode 2? Oh no. Whoa! Why did I do that to my friends? I'm such a bad person! Do you think I can change everything? Find out today on this next episode.